If you are looking for the best hair removal laser machine or device, I highly recommend TRIA. This is the only FDA approved and cleared device that exists on the market right now. And this is what it looks like right now. You can use this on your face, your legs, your arms, your bikini, your underarms, everywhere, absolutely anywhere. It's got a real clear screen and power button there. And this is where the laser comes out of. It is obviously a laser. It is the only home solution that is approved, like I said, by the FDA. It does work on most types of hair, and this technology is preferred by dermatologists over the IPL, that impulse light. This is a laser, just like you would get in an actual salon. For best results, it does require a 3-month treatment. So of course, this is a weekly treatment that you would do on your hair and on your skin and in different areas. But the results are incredible. And the tests that have been done with a bunch of different people, men and women, have really shown that hair has grown less frequently and not as harsh and as coarse as it did before, even after 9, 10, 12 months. It's pretty fantastic. As a precaution, it is not recommended for lighter skins. So if you have darker skins just like this, it will not work ideally. But anything below that, you will get incredible results every time with the TRIA. Definitely a must if you are serious about hair removal. Buy laser. It is incredible, and it is non-battery rechargeable. So you do need to plug it in every time you use it, but man, does it ever work. Highly recommend the TRIA.